Salvation is not a reward. It's a gift. Titus 3:5. He saved us, not because of righteous things we had done, but because of his mercy. He saved us through the washing of rebirth and renewal by the Holy Spirit. Titus 3:5 cuts straight to the heart of the gospel. We are not saved by our own goodness. No amount of effort, religion, or personal achievement can earn salvation. God saves us because of his mercy, not our performance. Through Jesus Christ, the Holy Spirit gives us a new birth and a fresh start that we could never create ourselves. This verse reminds us that salvation is not something we achieve. It's something we receive. It's God's love, God's mercy, and God's power that transforms us from the inside out.